Welcome back. Please subscribe my channel for more cyclone updates and weather watch. Thank you. Tropical Cyclone NAT, Category 1, 993 HPA, was located near 15.3 south 160.6 west or about 210 kilometers northwest of Aitutaki Island or about 340 kilometers northwest of Mauk Island AT 060000 UTC. Cyclone is moving east-southeast at about 15 knots. On the current path, IT is expected to be 180 kilometers northeast of Aituta Island or 200 kilometers north of Mauk Island at 061200 UTC and about 180 kilometers northeast of Mauk Island at 070000 UTC. Forecast to midnight tomorrow for northern waters of southern Cooks. Expect northwest winds of up to 45 knots with gusts of up to 65 knots from later today for Mauk and Aitutaki Islands. Moderate to fresh southeast winds increasing to 30 knots with gusts of up to 45 knots later today. Rain and thunderstorms developing from the northwest later today with occasional rain, heavy at times and few thunderstorms tomorrow. Moderate to rough seas. Becoming rough to very rough seas with to moderate heavy swells from later today. Coastal inundation along the northern and eastern low-lying coastal areas. For the rest of southern Cooks, cloudy periods with some showers, moderate to fresh southeast winds, gusty at times, moderate to rough seas. Expected impacts for Mauk and Aitutaki from later today. Isolated damages to tree branches, some houses of light materials or unshielded structures in exposed communities. Poor visibility for motorists in areas of heavy rain, river and flash flooding of low-lying and flood-prone areas. High risk of sea travel for all crafts, risky hazardous. Breaking waves and possible coastal inundation along low-lying coastal areas. For Australia, ex-cyclone Kirrily has moved into New South Wales and expected to move over the Tasman Sea this afternoon. A weak trough will extend over western, central and southern Queensland today, contracting to Cape York Peninsula on Wednesday and far northern Cape York Peninsula from Thursday, persisting for several days. A new trough will linger over western Queensland from Thursday, persisting for several days. A weak ridge extends over southeastern Queensland. The ridge will strengthen on Wednesday, persisting for several days as a succession of highs move east across the Great Australian Bight and southern Tasman Sea. A low in the eastern Coral Sea will remain well offshore for several days. The system may drift slightly west over the next few days before most likely drifting southeast late this week. The system may develop late in the week and may combine with the ridge to enhance coastal winds from late Wednesday. Forecast for the rest of Tuesday in Queensland, isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms west of Mackay and Toowoomba, with showers tending widespread at times north of Emerald. Possible severe thunderstorms with heavy rainfall in the north and far north, and with damaging wind gusts and heavy rainfall in the far west. Isolated showers in the southeast, mostly in the morning and evening. Mostly sunny elsewhere. Light to moderate northwest to northeasterly winds. Winds in the southwest turning southeast to southwesterly, extending into the central and southern interior throughout the day and tending fresh at times. Winds turning northeast to southeasterly about the east coast south of Bowen. Maximum temperatures below average in the far southwest, near average north of Hughenden and above average elsewhere.